Hi, and welcome to my Sunbeam Tiger project. I'm showing the structure that I made to support the body while I'm working on it. I put this in before I started working on the floors and the underside. And I set it up so that you can still open and close the doors, but the structure is based between the bolt that holds the windshield on both sides and the support structure right behind the door. There's a pretty nice box structure right behind the door, and did crossbars to make sure that the body is straight side to side. So it's nice to be able to open and close the doors and be able to get in, repair the floor structure, and know that everything was straight. Okay, so my support structure is made out of 1-inch L channel steel that I just got at the hardware store. Relatively easy to get, easy to weld. Just cut to length piece on the top of each door. So this is the piece that mounts to the rear part of the door. It's just a plate with a channel cut into it, so it fits over the door jamb, and it attaches to the mounting points here and here. And it's really the structure of this cutout that's holding the gap and keeping it from moving. So the mounting point up front is just a bolt through the mounting points for the windshield. I think it's a 1/2-inch bolt, but it was the size that most exactly fit the hole, and then it's just a nut on the bottom. And so I welded everything in place before I started taking the rest of the body apart. The thing is I take the 2 bolts out here, 2 bolts there, 1 bolt, and then the whole structure comes out, and I can do things and then put it back in. It has definitely stiffened up the body so that I could do all the work to the underside without the worry of the frame flexing or moving around. So I've seen some other structures on cars that are stripped more, where they attach either underneath the dash or further over, or they also attach to the mounting points for the trunk here and here. I didn't want to do that because I wanted to, I wanted to keep these areas open so I could work, and this made for a good arrangement for what I needed. This isn't the only way to do it, but this seems to be working for what I'm doing. Got a lot more to do, so I should probably get to it and get back to working on the sills. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.